Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well and you practiced the previous exercise and you completed your previous homework and the work done of exercise 9.1 on your classwork copies. So now look, we started our lecture number 4 and you are watching three different pictures on the screen. That is of our famous cricketers, and I know you all like to play and like to watch the cricket. So in a match, Babar Azam scored 66 on 54 balls, and Rizwan scored 58 on 42 balls, and Rizfakar Zaman scored 48 on 24 balls. So as you know, the strike rate, the word strike rate is very common to you during cricket matches. So you want to know which batsman has the better strike rate or which batsman scored more quickly than the other two batsmen. So how can you find the strike rate of Babar Azam? Total runs he scored 66 and the total ball he faced 54. So simply you will divide 66 by 54 and you will get the answer of this one, that is 122. And don't forget to multiply the answer with 100 at the end. Similarly, we are going to find the strike rate of Rizwan, that is 58 on 42 balls, means 58 divided by 42 and then multiply with the 100, we get 138. And Fakhrizman scored 48 on 24 balls, so he has the strike rate of 200. So who scored the most quickly? That is Fakhrizman with 200 strike rate. So I want to show this example because our next topic is about rate. So what is rate? In the previous two exercises, you learn about the comparison of two similar quantities and we call that ratio. What we call that? Ratio. And now we learn about the comparison of two or more different kind of quantities. Different kind of quantities, and that is known as rate. So what is rate and how can we find the rate of different things? Means a rate, what is the rate of different things per kg, what is the rate of doing work, what is the rate of doing typing words in how many minutes. So all these questions are related to the rate. So let's see one more example. So there is an example in front of you. Went for the market to buy some eggs. So the rate of at shop A, 6 eggs cost $150, $1.50, and at shop B they're selling 12 eggs at 2.40 per dozen for 12. So how you find that which shop should you buy the eggs from? Means definitely which is more cheaper, you must buy eggs from there. So how you know what is the rate of shop A and what is the rate of shop B? Simply, what is the total cost of 6 eggs? That is $150, $1.50, and how many eggs? 6 eggs. So you will divide 1.5 on 6 and you will get the rate of per egg from shop A. Similarly, from a shop B, the rate of 12 eggs is 2.40, and when you divide it by 12, you will get the rate of 1 egg. So then we will compare which shop is cheaper. So one more thing, students, you have a lot of division in this exercise. So you need a lot of practice about the division. So now I start dividing 1.50 divided by 6. So 6 2s are 12. We will write point here. Similarly, then minus, and 6 5s are 30. I hope you can do it easily. So your answer is $0.25, right? Similarly, when we divide 2.40 by the 12, we will get the answer $0.20. So the rate of shop A is $0.25 per egg and shop B is 0.20 per egg. So simply you can buy the eggs from shop B because it is more cheaper than shop A. So that's why we find the rate, and in this method, in this way, we can find the rate of, and it means total cost divided by the total number of things required. And similarly, we have different type of questions. So after doing these questions, you know the how to find the rate of different questions. So come to the next question. Next we will do practice now question at your book, that is 214. Previously we done the examples of x, that is your worked example at page number 214, and now I write the question of practice now question of 214 page. So that is also rate questions. Practice now, Amira can type 720 words in 16 minutes. Lixan can type 820 words in 18 minutes, and Shirley can type 790 words in 19 minutes. Who is the fastest typist? Means we have to find the rate of typing speeds by all of these. So first I take Amira. So how many words he typed? 720 words. And how many minutes she took or he took? That is 16. Means you have to divide 720 divided by 16. And next, Lixan. So Lixan typed 828 words in 18 minutes. So again we will divide and we will get the answer. And the last one is Shirley. She typed 798 words in 19 minutes. So again we have to make a division. So first of all we can find the Amira, that divided by 720 divided by 16. 16 fours are 64 and we will get 80, and 16 fives are 80. So your answer is 25 words per minute. 25 words per minute. Next at Lixan, that is 828 divided by 18. Okay, 828 divided by 18. So 18 fours are 72, 0, 1, and 18, and 18 6 are 108. So you will get your answer, that is 46 minutes per mean. That is not 24 5, that is 45. Okay, I mistakenly write 25 instead of 45. So now we will find the rate of Shirley. She types 798 words divided by 19 minutes. Okay, 19 fours are 76. When we are going to subtract 38 and 19 twos are 38, your answer is 42. Where is the second letter? That is 6. So we get the rate of all these three ladies. Amira had 45 words per minute, Lixan has 46, and Shirley has 42. So who has the better speed of typing? Fastest typist, that is Lixan, who typed 46 words per minute. So that's we always find the rate of anything. There are different types of rates we can find. So now we switch to our exercise. Let's see what is there for us. Exercise 7b, the first question, again the similar question as we did in the practice now. A typist type 1800 words in 1 hour. Find the number of words that she can type per minute. Okay, the given value is that in hours, right? But we have to find the value in per minute. So how many minutes are there in 1 hour? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it means we have to find the number of words per minute, that 1800 total words, 1800, and how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. So you can divide very easily. That's quite easy. 0 cuts with this one, and you know the table of 6. 6 3s are 18 and 30. Means she has the speed of 30 words per minute. Quite easy. Very easy division. You can divide it in the longer form, and you can simplify if you have the practice of such questions. So understand, students? Okay, fine. So come to the next question. If PKR 129.99 is charged for 654 units of electricity used. Find the cost of 1 unit of electricity. Okay, total cost is given to you, and this cost is very cheap according to the nowadays. As you know, the electricity is very high rate, but it is very cheap rate is given in this question. So if PKR is 120.99 is charged for 654 units. So when you are divide 120.99 divided by 654, what will you get? You will divide and then you get your answer. Okay, let's going to start. It's little bit harder division for you because divisor is 654. So now you have to look here. If we multiply 654 with 2, what we get? 654 with multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and that is 1308. And we have 1209. So it means the first value is 1. When we multiply with 1, we will get 654. Now we will subtract. We will get 5, and again we have 5. So take the next value, that is 9. Now it's 5,005, and 9. So 654 approximately we multiply with the 8, right? 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, and 3 43, and then 8 6 are 40. That is 5232. I think it is nearly, so 5 2 3 2. Why they are raising? Okay, now again the subtract we will 7 2 and 3 taking 0, so it will go not divisible by 5. That is divisible by 5, right? So it is completely divisible by 3270, means our answer is 0.185. And when you round off, you already learning what round off, so we will want to round off this one, so you will get your answer 0.19 PKR. So that is the cost of 1 unit you have to pay. Clear? Okay, now come to the next question, students. I already said there are a lot of divisions in these questions. Some divisions are very easy and some divisions are little bit tougher for you. So now next question is, a man pays a total PKR 48,000 in a flat rental for 3 months. Find his monthly rent rate. So it's quite easy. So you can solve it by yourself. Means total rent he paid for 3 months, that is 48,000, and when you divide it by 3, that will be the for his monthly rent rate. Clear? So that's quite easy. Yes, so you can cut it if you have good in mental maths. If you not, then you can simply use this method. 3 1s are 3, 18, 6 3s are 18, and put these 3 zeros along with 16. So you will get your answer PKR 16,000. So that is monthly rent for 1 month. That is the monthly rent rate, you can say. So now come to the next question. Okay, now we have, if a mass of a metal bar which is 3.2 meter long is 15 kg, find mass per minute. Okay, what is total mass? That is 15 kg. What is total mass? That is 15 kg. And what is the length? That is 3.25 meter. Means we have to find mass per minute. Mass per meter, sorry, it's not minute, it's meter. So mass per meter means you have to divide 15 divided by 3.25. So you have to divide this and get your answer. As you know, when we are going to divide, there will be no decimal point in the divisor. So means there are 2 digits after the decimal. So we will multiply 15 with the 100 to remove the decimals from the divisor. That is 325 now. Means you have to divide 1500 at the table of 3 25, right? So you can divide it or you can simplify it. You can get the answers in decimals if you divide, and if you have good in mental maths, you can simplify it. 1500 divided by 325 is table. At the table of 5 we will get 300, and again we will get 65. It will again divisible by the table of 5. Okay, so what we get here, 6 5s are and 0, and here we get 13. So you can leave your answer in simplest form, means in the mixed number. Okay, so 13 4s are 52. What we get the remainder, that is 8, and your answer is 4 8 over 13. That is his mass per meter. Okay, you know how to change the improper fractions into proper fraction, means you have to simply divide 60 divided by 13. 13 4s are 52. You will get your answer. So that is your remainder, that is your quotient. So 4 8 over 13, that is your answer. Clear, students? Okay, now come to the next question. That is question number 2. That is similar question as you know in the practice now page. Ethan can blow. There is some smoke factors which affects me also, so it is the voice is little bit disturbing. I hope you don't mind, students. So question number 2 is Ethan can blow 15 balloons in 20 minutes. Okay, Junboy can blow 18 balloons in 25 minutes, and Vishal can blow 16 balloons in 20 minutes. Assuming that all balloons are blown to the same size, means everyone have the same kind of balloons and same size of balloons, because there is a competition between them who blow the faster. So who blow the balloons at the fastest rate, means we have to find the rate of each one. First one is Ethan. So how many balloons he blow? 15. And what is the duration? That is 20. Okay, we will divide again here, and then we get John V or Y, what you read. So total balloons are 18, and total time he took, that is 25. And then we have Vishal. He blew 16 balloons in 21 minutes. Now we have 3 divisions. We have to make these 3 divisions. So can you make at home, or okay, let me do. So first we will divide 15 divided by 20. So it is not divisible. Put a decimal and take 1 0. Okay, so 26 are 120. Decimal here, it is not completely divisible. Take 1 more 0. So we get 300. 27 are 140. It's not 20. Okay, we will do it again. I have a mistake. Okay, 27s are 140. So we will get 5, and then we get 0. So 25s are 100. So ethane has rate 0.75. Similarly, John V, 18 divided by 25. 18 divided by 25. Again, it is not divisible. Put a decimal, take a 0. Decimal, 25 6 are 25 7s are 175. So when we divide, take another 0, right? So 22s are 50. So your answer is 0.72. Similarly, we divide the 16 by the 21. 16 divided by 21. Put a 0 here. So put a 0 here, and 16, 21 7s are 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. We will get 3 5 minus 4 1. Again we get the 0 from here, and 21 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So you will get 4. Again, now we will stop writing because we need 2 digits here. So Vishal has 0.76, and The rate of Ethan is 0.75, the rate of Juvan is 0.72, and Vishal has the 0.76. So it means Vishal has the better rate rather than Ethan and John Way. So he is the fastest man to blow the balloons. So learn and understand all these questions we did in today's exercise. So do practice these questions in your copies and complete your classwork copies as well. So these copies will help you to for the preparation of the upcoming midterm exams. So one more thing I want to clear at the end of this lecture, that unfortunately I used mistakenly I used the old edition of this book. So the values are same, but in some questions that in the name of the characteristic in the given statement are little bit different. In the updated edition, the Oxford University Press used Pakistani names, but in the old editions they use the name of foreign characters. So I used the previous edition, so the values did not change, so it does not make any difference in the questions. The methods are same, the values are same, and the answers are same. So I hope you understand and you will not worry about that it's a question is not right. So take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe, and do practice as more as you can. See you till next lecture.